Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to add a book to a collection on the KOBO Clara Colour e-reader. So if you want to organize your library, you have this My Books section, and if you want to organize it more, you can start adding books or audiobooks to a collection. So to do that, I'm going to show you how. For example, let's just say I have a book. This isn't really a book, this is just a picture, but it works the same with a book. So you have this book and you press on the three dots on the bottom, and then just press on Add to Collection. And here it's going to pull up this menu if you have created a collection before. But if you haven't, it's just going to ask you to create a new collection. So just create a collection and name it. But if you already have created a collection, you can just tap on that collection to add to it. But if you want to create a new collection, you just press on these three dots again, and then press New Collection, and just name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna name it Drawings, for example, because I want to store my drawings in that collection. There we go, I have created a drawings collection, and now my house drawing is in it, as you can see. So that's pretty much it. This is how you add books to collections. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.